Hey, how you doing? This is part 3 of ceramic coating a jet ski. If you're just coming in, look at the date that this was published. Go to my channel. Go to part 1, which will be all in the same order. 1, 2, 3, probably 4, maybe even 5. Who knows? But you can put them on autoplay and then just, go right through it like a regular, probably video or would do on YouTube, but that's not me. So, hey, here we are. We are starting out. It is about 6 a.m. I just wiped down the jet ski with sorry about that, there it is over there, the Optimum OPT panel prep. I wiped down all of the surfaces, all the plastics, everything sitting overnight. Could have got a little dust on it. There could be a little remnant of some of the wash process that I showed you in part 2. And anyway, I'm just kind of going over, the setup, what you need to do. I'm not going to, have me show you. Yeah, I can talk. It's early. Here's to me with a little coffee. So, what you're going to need, right? Once you wipe down after your wash process and you think everything's clean, you want to wipe it down probably twice with a panel prep of your choice. And then you want to, let that sit for about half an hour. So that's what I've got going on. Everything's all set. I'm all ready to coat. I just wanted to bring you in and show you my, my setup process. So you need good lighting, right? I have here the Astro 50 SL by Astro Pneumatics. This is a great $100 flashlight. I'm not going to shine it in you, but it really brings out everything that's going on, other than it probably looks real flashy right there, but it doesn't in real life. It's got 2 settings, and that is my go-to correction light. Also, it is magnetized, so you can set it on things and it won't go away. I also have here a pretty new purchase. I've had this for probably 3 months, and I absolutely love this headlamp. Your light that you need is always exactly where you need it. Let's see if we can find any identification marks. This was on Amazon. I researched quite a bit. I do not see any name brand on this. Let's see. The nice thing too is this is the upside. Let me see if I can get that in there. No, I'm a complete fail. Anyway, it's too small for me to read, although I do have glasses here. Anyway, having a headlamp is indispensable, especially if you're doing interiors on cars. Got to be gloved up. These are the Hardy 5 mils from Harbor Freight. Cheap, economical, all that. I also have a Harbor Freight respirator. You need to protect yourself when doing ceramic coatings. The solvent carrier lifts off the surface, and I do have a series of fans and everything too to kind of keep the air circulating. But I have the garage shut. There's the seating I took off. Here are my dual 5000K paint correction lights on the stand, right? So all that's important. Here is the coating table. So I've got my Eagle Edgeless from the Rag Company. At least I think they're Eagle Edges. And I also have Pearl. I buy these on Amazon. I don't know, probably a pack of 12 at a time. It's actually a little better pricing than buying direct from the Rag Company. And I have Amazon Prime, so everything's free for shipping. This is my coating bottle holder. I have cut slits in a old pad that I hit a door handle on. The door handle was broken, and I put a couple jagged edges on it, so that became useful. I've got my pipettes, right? These are 3 mil pipettes, and that is for dispensing the coating on a auto fiber finger applicator. All right, probably should do that this way. So these things are amazing. They're half mitts. They have a 300 GSM. They're 80/20. They're high quality. That might help you find it. And yeah, these are a 6-pack. So I buy, probably a few packs of these. I take them out. I put them in a very detailed and clean washing machine. You want to get up under your agitator with a cloth and make sure, as I do every time I wash my A-level microfiber towels, I have that. But anyway, you want to pre-wash these just from the factory. There could be some, things from manufacturing and stuff like that that would get that. Here are the expendables playing on my Echo Show. Very important to have music. Just kidding. I use this as a timer when I'm putting coatings down. It's, say I'm going to have a 45-second flash time. As I go to put the coating on, I'll just say her name, which I'm not going to say, but it begins with an A and ends with an A. And then I will, say set, timer for 45 seconds or 2 minutes, or, with Underdog, I'll say, 8 minutes. And there I go. So other than that, everything's pretty self-explanatory. I keep track of my time. So I had an hour and a half prep time. There's my CarPro foam, the Dwell with the FenLab, and then the power rinse of the FenLab Pure. And then I blew it out and I towel dried it. So just the prep in a very, detailed wash was an hour and a half. I've got my time prep setting up this morning. If you are in a garage that's hot like me, I've got ceiling fans going on. There's one over through there. I've got the door open. I've got a 20 by 20 filter on a 20 by 20 box fan. The gate is to keep the cat and dogs out. It's not really a problem. I've got Kitty locked away. So from that fan, I've got this fan, and it's just set on low on here, high on the box fan. And that way I have a constant flow of air, makes things a little safer for me with the fumes that come off the coating, and also cooling down the jet ski somewhat. You want to work in as low a humidity and, right around 75 degrees, probably pretty much perfect temperatures. I don't quite have that, but this garage is much cooler. I am working on cooling this whole thing down. So anyway, I think I kind of covered everything I wanted to talk about with you. I do, have the needle nose pliers here for pulling the little drip cap out of the coating bottle, and I will be putting Dallas Paint. I always want to say Dallas Paint Correction, but it's Dallas Paint Coatings. The product is TMR. That's Titanium Marine RV. It's going to be in a marine environment, so we want to make sure that we have the best of products going on to this beautiful brand new jet ski. I was pretty impressed with this. I haven't wiped that down because it just didn't matter to me at the moment, but I bet this thing is fast. So anyway, that's part 3. I appreciate each and every one of you. As I approach 1,000 subscriptions, please add to that number and subscribe to my channel. Give me the thumbs up. It seems so minor, but just hitting that thumbs up, just leaving a comment, just, doing a share helps the analytics that are all tied together. I do use a lot of my stuff for, marketing purposes and things like that. So, try and steer people my way, help me out, put a few dollars in my pocket. I've never done links. I'm not trying to make money doing this. I'm just trying to, educate, help. I get phone calls from around the world. People call me, ask me a question about something. I'm always happy to help you. So, I know this isn't going to be like, a big number, video for me. How many people out there are curious about ceramic coating a jet ski? Like, it's not a lot. But it's summertime, here it is, the 24th of June. And so, maybe you got somebody that wants to coat a jet ski they just bought, like this guy. So anyway, I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until next time, enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. And I will see you on the flip side. Whoa, there it was. All right, take care. Thank you.